Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to install Instagram on Huawei Mate X6. Let's begin. Now we won't be using App Gallery since App Gallery is really stinky and we don't like it. In all seriousness though, many people believe that it is harmful, that it provides you with unsecure links, and yeah, it's hard to disagree. So instead, we'll be using Gbox. And we can simply go to our Google Play Store here and just search for the Instagram. And if you don't know what what Gbox is, and you want to learn more or how to download it, how to use it, we have a tutorial on that. It's called how to install Google Play Store on your Huawei device, in my case on Huawei Mate X6. So you can just, if you're still having trouble, you can just go there and learn how to install it. And after the Instagram is done installing, all we have to do is just open it, agree to a bunch of things, and now we can log in and use our Instagram perfectly fine. And as you can see, now we have our Instagram right here. And that's all you have to do. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.